Our Stage 2 package for the Ford Ranger 3.2 is built around real-world torque, reliability and consistency. It combines custom ECU and transmission calibration, an upgraded transmission cooler and a Garrett charge air cooler upgrade. All of this is designed specifically for towing, touring and harsh summer conditions. Every vehicle starts with a full pre-tuning inspection, baseline testing and data logging to ensure it's mechanically suitable for tuning. The factory 3.2 usually produces around 450 Nm of torque in stock trim at the wheels. However, the factory calibration does leave some drivability and usable torque on the table. Our tuning calibration focuses purely on controlled torque delivery, improved throttle response and consistent economical behaviour. The results are typically a 110 to 120 Nm increase over stock and 25 to 30 kilowatts over standard at the wheels whilst retaining all factory protection strategies. But the real difference isn't just peak power, it's how the vehicle responds at part throttle, under load and when towing. That's where proper calibration shows. The 6-speed automatic is also recalibrated to hold gears more effectively, reduce indecisive shifting and eliminate torque converter flare. As a part of our Stage 2 package, we also install a Garrett charge air cooler upgrade. The Garrett PowerMax upgrade is by far the most efficient unit on the market. This is largely due to its cast tank design, which eliminates sharp corners and the 4-inch plate and bar core design. Lower intake air temperatures, lower charge air temperatures mean denser air, more stable combustion and more consistent power delivery, especially when towing, climbing or driving in high ambient air temperature conditions. This upgrade reduces heat soak, supports sustained performance and allows the ECU calibration to deliver repeatable results with correct thermal management, not power that fades off after one dyno pull or ruthless calibrations that disable these strategies at the expense of longevity. You'll notice here on our logging software, the charge air temperature is only 5 to 6 degrees higher than that of the intake air temperature at the mass airflow sensor. This is a testament to the efficiency of this cooler when temps reach up around 60 degrees on the standard charge air cooler. To protect the transmission long term, we also install a dedicated supplementary transmission cooler. Managing transmission fluid temperature is critical. This is because excessive heat leads to premature wear and inconsistent shifting. This upgrade ensures stable operation under sustained load. The result is a Ranger 3.2 that pulls harder, shifts cleaner and drives better day in, day out. We provide proper calibration and real long-lasting results that are done right the first time.